My boy bought this plow and it'll only fit a 70. So I ended up buying a 70. The engine was shot. Had to completely rebuild the engine. Kind of went through the transmission. That was in pretty decent shape. I did not paint the tractor, but I had to change the wheels. They had the wrong wheels on it. So I painted the wheels on it. The rest was pretty much the way it came for looks. And then my boy, like I said, bought the plow. So we had to make some parts, had to have some parts made. Some Oliver guys that pretty much know what's going on told me there was no such plow built. Well, here it is. I drew up the decals from what I could see on the plow and took them to Fast Signs in Appleton, and they did a heck of a job for me. Well, the guy I bought it from, his dad bought it at an auction, and he didn't know anything about it, so as far as the story on it, no clue. Basically the tractor was, but the engine was shot. I had to put a new head on it, and block had to be resurfaced, line board, new pistons and sleeves. It was just plain wore out. Well, it took about a year to get everything up and tore apart, put together, and getting the right wheels put back on it. Well, it's a 6-cylinder, early 6-cylinder, Oliver's first 6-cylinder, a very smooth running engine, runs good. It can be a bit ornery trying to get it started once in a while, but it's a nice driving tractor.